Assalamualaikum. So today we will be doing question number 2 from October-November 2025, Unit 2, Higher Tier Modular paper. Let's move to the question quickly. The table gives information about the heights in centimeter of 60 flowers in garden. We have to work an estimate for the mean. So we know that to find the mean, we need summation fx. F is the frequency and X is the midpoint of class intervals and divided by summation F, where summation represents the sum. So let's quickly find the X value and the F of X to put it in the formula. So we have X, the midpoint. So the midpoint of 0 and 10 would be 5. 10 and 20 would be 15. 20 and 30 would be 25. 30 and 40 would be 35, and 40 and 50 would be 45. So here we multiply F and X to find out what the value will be. So the first value is going to be 85. Then 15 times 9 would give us 135. 25 times 16 would give us 400. 35 times 14 will be 490, and 45 times 4 will be 180. So we add all these values, 85 plus 135 plus 400 plus 490 plus 180, and we divide it with the sum of frequency, which is 17 plus 9 plus 16 plus 14 plus 4, which is equals to 1290 divided by 60. So when you divide this, you get 21.5. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.